Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to attempt to make some nut butter. So I have some almonds, pecans, and pistachios. So I'm going to make 3 different types. There's multiple ways you can do this. You can soak your nuts and then dehydrate them and then roast them, or just keep them completely raw. And I'm choosing to soak, dehydrate. I'm going to do a cup of almonds and then I'm going to put it in a container and soak it. They soak for 8 to 12 hours. So we're going to set this aside, let it soak, and come back in 8 to 12 hours and do that. And then for cashews, wrong. 4 to 6 hours. So I'm gonna measure out however much cashews, or not cashews, pecans. Well, I only got perfect amount, 1 cup. Fill it with water and set that aside for 4 to 6 hours. And then come back and make those. And lastly, I have the pistachios, and they don't need to be soaked. So these ones are already roasted, so I'm not going to re-roast them. So what you need is a food processor. I'm not going to have any nuts because I keep eating them. Oh, it's already becoming gooey. You see that? Let's add a little bit of coconut oil. I'm gonna start with a half a tablespoon because I only used a cup of nuts. Looking creamy. It smells so good. I decided I'm gonna add a little bit of maple flavored syrup. This is what I'm using. Just to sweeten it up a bit. Probably do a tablespoon. Oh, that is so good. I never had pistachio butter before. It's really good. It's kind of like a poop green. Here's what the nuts look like after soaking them forever. Gross. So I'm going to drain these and start dehydrating them. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing the almond. Got them all dehydrated. Ooh, creamy. I'm gonna add some of the maple flavored syrup like I did with the other one. Lastly, I'm going to be doing the pecans. This one I'm gonna add maple extract. I don't know how much I want to put. Some cinnamon. And then I'm gonna do the pumpkin spice seasoning. I'm gonna put some of this maple syrup too because it's sweet. That's good. Looks like chocolate. Come here.
Huh?
You're too tall.
Hello. Welcome to our channel.
Okay, we're gonna taste test these. This is the hazelnut, or not hazelnut, but what?
Pistachio.
No.
Chocolate.
No, this is pecan, maple pecan season. This
Pecan.
one is it pecan or pecan?
Pecan pie, I call it pecan.
This is almond, and this one's pistachio. We're gonna do the pistachio first. It's just plain pistachio with nothing on it. Oh, seriously, you can't use your own hand?
A lot of people putting it in my mouth. Pretty good. Pretty good.
This is pistachio with honey. That's good.
Honey's good.
Yum. This is the almond. Plain. Which one do you like better so far?
I think pistachio. The almond one's good though.
It's more bland.
The almond?
Yeah. They're all good with honey. This is the pecan.
Pecan? Pecan.
Ooh, I like that one.
Oh, good.
Tastes like pie.
Tastes like a Christmas cookie.
That's good. Because I put yummy seasonings in it.
Very good.
I like pecan first, then pistachio, then almond. That pecan. I didn't think I'd like pecan.
I would second that.
I didn't think I'd like pecan because I don't really like pecan nuts. Pecan.
Pecan.
But that, with the seasoning and the maple, That is really good.
It's very good. Well done.
Thank you. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Go like this.
Oh, peace.
Bye.